Ay sir, congratulations po sa bagong packaging na launch.
Thank you.
Sir, ask ko lang po, what brought out this parang change dito sa ating packaging?
First of all, we have been in the global market for 80 years already. So I think it's about time for a change, no? And for the longest time, we haven't changed our packaging. And some felt that it is too outdated, it feels old, and somehow the packaging doesn't look relevant at all. So after we did this study and people reacted on the actual packaging, so I think we really have to change it to a bolder, slicker, more nature-inspired product, which we maintain, of course, the colors of the brand, which is the blue, the red, and the green. And then so after 80 years, I think this is the best time to change clothes, no, and be relevant, especially to the younger audience.
Sir, curious lang po ako, mga nakailang palit na po ba ng packaging ang Aimo since nung nag-start siya?
Since 1940, this is the first time.
First time, okay.
So that's why we want it to be big. So actually, we all part of history. This is the legacy of Aimo, from changing from the old packaging to the new one, because we want to stay relevant to the target audience and for the future generations.
So this is parang a milestone event pala for you?
Yes,
first time pala siya
First time, the first and the only time that we changed in the Philippines.
Sir, was there also a demand for other variants? Kasi since you have the 3 regular variants, is there also parang market for another type of Aimo?
Yeah, of course. For the very evolving market of the eye drops, of course we have some things in the pipeline, but of course secret muna.
Ano ko lang, more than new generation, ano may Aimo para sa siya, ano yung benefit?
Okay, we have 3 variants. The first variant, our hero product, is the red one. So the red one is for it's vasoconstrictor. So if you have allergies, eye redness, so eye irritations, this is the go-to brand. Next, the blue one, the Aimo moisturizing formula, is for dry eyes and feeling of tiredness. So once you have this dryness and feeling of tiredness, so you have to go naman to the moisturizing formula. And then for the last one, the green one, is the boric acid, which is a gentle daily cleanser. So gentle for everyday use. And for also eye irritation, at the same time eye itchiness. Good din yung green doon sa mga contact lens users. After they use, you have to take off it first before you drop with the Aimo green, just to cleanse your eyes every day.
Anong ilan siya ginagamit? Or ilama siya lang sa ng manok?
Aimo is known to be non-RX, so no prescription needed. So you just go to the drugstore, look for it, buy it, then you're out. And for the usage, for the red, just use it within 7 days kasi meron siyang antibacterial properties. And then dapat within 5 days lang. And the same, if symptoms persist, you have to consult your doctor. For the moist naman, it's okay to use every day until you feel the symptoms of dryness. You can use it as long as a month or 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Doesn't matter, because this is just like natural tears. And then for the green variant naman, it's like your daily shampoo, your daily cleanser, so you have to use it every day pag naliligo ka, diba? And it's also a product that protects your eyes from future eye irritation. So para hindi ka magkaroon ng eye problems, to prevent eye problems, use the Aimo green.
Sir, yung pinaka-latest nyo is itong may high promelose, tama po ba?
No. Actually, the red one is the first one in the Philippines, and then it was followed by the blue one. And then latest nating na-i-launch si green dito sa Philippines. For the Combifar part, that before kasi we have the GSK who owns the brand. In 2016, Combifar bought the portfolio of Aimo. So when we returned here, we launched the products in phasing. So the first to arrive in the market is the red and the blue, and then the green one followed after 2 years.
Yun kasi yung confusion, sir, kasi parang 'di ba parang kakarinig pa lang namin nung high promelose na ingredient nung
Yeah. Actually, that's the reason why we are doing this National Eye Care Awareness Campaign since 2017, because this is a platform for us to educate the Filipino audience regarding eye health and the importance of eye care for healthy eyesight. Daming eyes, no? So, kailangan kasi natin emphasize yung importance ng eye health. And madami kasi ngayon, they have dry eyes, symptoms of dry eyes, but they don't know it. And apparently these people are experiencing dry eyes and they don't know that they have it, but there is one product in the market that is really affordable for everyday use.
Sir, yung new packaging, is this already available in the market right now?
Yes. So we made sure before this press and media launch, we already distributed the new packaging. So if you go to Mercury, Watsons, Southstars, Rose Pharmacy, and all the leading drugstores nationwide, it's already 100% available.
No change in the price?
No change in the price.
Okay,
So it's the same, kaya nga sabi namin, it's the same IMO, without changing anything. It's just the packaging. So nagpalit lang kami ng damit, but we're the same IMO.
Meron po ba kayong mga parang mga activations or marketing events to promote this new
Madami. As mentioned, we have the National Eye Care Awareness Month. So actually dati National Eye Care Awareness Day lang siya, pero it's too short for a day for the celebration. So we did a month. But still, it's too short for a month. We did it for a quarter. So now we're doing the National Eye Care Awareness Month pa rin yung tawag namin, but we do it in 3 months. So what we initially have done in the past is we go to the barangays to let them know the brands and then educate them about eye health. And then the second phase was we went to offices, corporate offices. And currently now we're doing mga call center offices and corporate events, because what we understood, ang dami kasing mga workers ngayon, especially yung nakatapat sa digital workstations. Ang bilis talaga nila mag-dry eyes, and meron talaga sila lahat eye irritation. So the focus now is really to help the workforce to relieve themselves from eye irritation and eventually give them the solution for that.